Hello guys, today we'll be working with JavaScript. JavaScript is a thing that adds interactivity to your web pages. So you could create buttons or alerts in your web pages. This gives more interactivity. So to start JavaScript, we type something called script, and then here we're going to declare a variable called x, var x is equal to 5. And then now we're going to declare something called var first name is equal to Prahlad. And so since we should have a practice of putting semicolons after our sentences in JavaScript, and this is similar to CSS pattern. And now the last element is the last name, which is .m.p. And now we're going to create a small alert here. So we're going to alert brackets, and we can type the element which we want to alert. So we're going to alert x and see what's going to happen. So we have to save it and go to our JavaScript. Okay, so I think we haven't saved it, so we have to go back to our Sublime text and just save this file. And now the alert is going to work. Control S, and now our alert will work. So now we go and tap alert, and you can see that it's 5. So now let's alert first name and check what happens. So I think, or I'm very sure that there is going to be an alert that says Prahlad. Control S, and you can find out, yep, that's Prahlad. And now the last name, and that's going to be .m.v. So let's just check. Control S, yeah. And as you can see, this alert is for MV. And now let's create a good code. This might be complex, but I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. So now we're going to use IDs for JavaScript. So we're going to type a div ID called demo. So we want to create an element. We're going to get it by the element demo. We're going to get what demo is into the script. So now we're going to type something called button on click. So when you click on the button, we're going to initiate a variable called my function. So if a function's empty, you have an open parentheses in it, and so we can type something like please click me, and then we have to close the button. And now we go to our script tag there. So if we are going to initialize a function, we type function and then the function which you've used, my function, that is. So function, my function, you have to keep your parentheses open. And now we type something called document dot get element by ID. So we're trying to get the element by the ID demo, and we're going to give demo some variable. So document dot get element by ID. So we have to go back, brackets, we have to just type demo, and here we type dot inner HTML is equal to we'll just give it hello world to check what happens. So now we have to save our file to get the element by the ID, and we have to just find out what happens in this web page. So you can see there's a button called please click me, and when you click the button you get hello world. You could keep any values for the button here.